Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to speed up Safari on iPhone and iPad. Deeply integrated with the Apple ecosystem, Safari is well known for its speed and smoothness. So apart from shielding your privacy and delivering a trusted safeguard to your online privacy, the Apple browser can also live up to the mark in terms of accelerating your browsing experience. Well, that doesn't mean the FEM browser is immune to sluggishness or, for that matter, never feels lagging on the performance front. And for this specific reason, I thought it would be better to talk about some of the viable tips to speed up Safari on iPhone and iPad. That said, let's dive right in. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, I would recommend you to force quit apps on your iPhone. If you tend to forget to force kill apps when they are no longer in use, there is a good chance that the clogged up memory is the prime reason why Safari is not running smoothly on your iPhone. Knowing that Safari is one of the most resource-hogging apps, you should ensure that unnecessary apps are not left running in the background. On your iPhone or iPad with Face ID, simply swipe up from the bottom and then hold along the middle of the screen to bring up the app switcher. After that, swipe up on each app card to kill the app. And on iPhone and iPad with Touch ID, you need to double press the home button, then swipe up on each app card to quit it. Then I would suggest you to hard reset your device. If Safari continues to run slowly on your iPhone, force reset the device by clearing temporary files. This hack is able to free up memory, fix random issues, and even speed up the device, so make sure to give it a shot as well. To do so, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. After that, hold down the side button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Next, I would suggest you to close all Safari tabs. Another important thing that you should do to accelerate Safari is to close all open tabs. To do so, open Safari on your iPhone, then tap on the tabs icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the Close X tabs. Note that you can also automatically close Safari tabs. If you often forget to close tabs, make sure to go for the automatic method. To do so, head over to the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on Safari. After that, tap on Close tabs. Next, choose the preferred time, after which you want to kill all open tabs. Then, I will suggest you to update the software on your iPhone. Should the problem persist, it would be better to go for the software update. I suspect the outdated version of the software is preventing Safari from running at the desired speed. To get going, head over to the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on General. After that, tap on Software Update, then download and install the latest iteration of iOS or iPadOS on your device. And finally, I would suggest you to clear the entire Safari history. If Safari has not yet started working properly, delete the entire history and website data. If it's been a while since you wiped out the history, there is a high chance that the pileup of cache, cookies, and website data has slowed down the browser. Navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, scroll down and select Safari. Then tap on Clear History and Website Data and confirm the action. And that's all there is to it. So these are the 5 best tips and tricks to speed up Safari on iPhone and iPad. Now that you know how these tips work, make the most of it to fix the slow-moving Safari as and when the need arrives. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.